Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your digital presence with Moz, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Moz website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on Tools to explore various features available. Select Moz Link Explorer to analyze your backlink profile. Enter your website URL into the search bar. Review your domain authority score for insights on your site strength. Next, use the Keyword Explorer feature. Input relevant keywords to discover their search volume and difficulty. Take note of the suggested terms and their opportunities for your content. To enhance your content, use the On-Page Grader tool. Enter a specific URL from your site to receive optimization suggestions. Follow the recommendations to improve your SEO performance. Utilize the metrics section to track progress over time. Engage with the Moz community forums for additional tips and support. Regularly update your content based on the insights gathered. Remember to verify your site with Google Search Console for better visibility. Stay informed about industry trends by following Moz's blog and resources. This will help you maintain a strong digital presence effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.